here today to talk about the origin and insertion of the upper extremity.
First, we got the biceps brachii.
Biceps brachii. There's a short head and there's a long head. The short head originates at the coracoid process down to the tuberosity of the radius, and the long head runs through the supraglenoid groove, goes to the supraglenoid tubercle of the scap, and down to the inserts at also the tuberosity of the radius.
So the brachialis.
Brachialis, distal half of the radius to the ulnar tuberosity.
Then we got the brachioradialis.
Brachioradialis, this will be the lateral supracondylar ridge, 2/3, I believe, and then inserts all the way at the radial, which would be at the posterior surface, the radial styloid crest of the radio.
Then we got the triceps brachii.
Alright, triceps brachii, I'm going to turn this guy around. Triceps brachii, there's 3 heads. Each head inserts at the olecranon process. First head we'll start with is the long head. This one will be the most medial one. And this runs and originates basically at the, right here, the glenoid tubercle, or infraglenoid tubercle of the scap. And then you also have the lateral head, also inserts there. And then lateral head will be the proximal posterior surface of the humerus. And then you got the medial head, which will be the deepest of the 3. Again, inserts at the olecranon process, and this one will be the distal posterior surface of the humerus.
So we got the extensor carpi radialis longus.
Alright, the radialis longus. So this will be all on the posterior surface, posterior side, and this one will be the supracondylar ridge, 2/3. The longest will be the second base of the second metacarpal.
And then the extensor carpi radialis brevis.
And then the radialis brevis will be the shorter of the 2. This one will be the lateral epicondyle. There. And we'll run to the base of the 3rd metacarpal.
And then we got the extensor digitorum.
Extensor digitorum, again, will be lateral epicondyle, and the digitorum will run to the distal parts of the 2nd through 5th phalanges, so this is the ends.
Good. And now we got the flexor carpi ulnaris.
Flexors, I'm going to turn this guy around because we'll be on the anterior surface. So what was that? What did you say, the flexor?
Flexor carpi ulnaris.
Ulnaris. So this one will be on the medial side, so the medial epicondyle. And it will also run to the pisiform, hook of the hamate, and then the base of the 5th metacarpal.
Good. And then the flexor carpi radialis.
Flexor carpi radialis. Again, medial epicondyle. You said radialis, right?
Yep.
Flexor carpi radialis will run to the base of the 2nd and 3rd metacarpal.
Good. And then the flexor digitorum superficialis.
Alright, digitorum superficialis. This is the long one. Alright, so the insertion is the sides of the middle phalanges of the 2nd through 5th. So basically each side of the phalanges, that's where they insert. And then also the palmar surface of middle phalanges. And then the origin, there's numerous parts. We'll start with the medial epicondyle, kind of work our way down along the ulnar, and then into the ulnar collateral ligamentous, and then interosseous membrane, and then there's also I think it touches the radius as well, and then goes down to those other ports, attachments that I already said.
And then the flexor digitorum profundus.
And then the profundus, the last one. This one will be the anterior surface of the ulna, and then the medial part of the ulna as well. And this one will be the proximal side. And then this one will run all the way down to basically the ends of each finger. And the profundus will be the deepest as well. The distal parts of each phalange. And again, those will be the deepest parts. Okay?